Okay, this is the body planner page. So this page will provide you more of a baseline of how to track specific things and your goals. So what it goes through is there's 3 points, 4 points, excuse me, of this. So you have planning and tracking. So in this area right here, you'll add your baseline information. So your start, weight, start date, goal weight, goal date. And you can add a picture here, add a picture here as well, before and after. And then also tracking your progress. So when you want to track your progress, you would want to do this like weekly. So what you do is basically click on whatever date that you're going to add your progress report. And you click it, and I'll just show you what it opens up to. So you'll do this, and it will open up looking like that. Now you can change, it'll say progress report, but if you want, you can just change it to the date of it. If you want, you don't have to do it because progress reports are going to automatically populate here. What you do is add your goal weight, your current weight, any types of notes that's on here, how you can improve, how you're feeling. When you have these things here, like there's a drop down, so you can identify what you're feeling during that time of that week, what you felt. And then also any types of lessons learned and any type of focus area for that week that you need to focus on. So if like the next week that comes up, you can identify specifically what you need to focus on during the next week. Here is another thing that I like, is something, any types of obstacles that have been holding you back. And this is a drop down as well, so you can choose what you want. And when that happens, when you have this all together, there's a formulation that I've created here to help you, give you some advice, some uh, context of what you should be doing to help you out. It's not specific, so it's just more of a generalistic thing, but just to give you some help with specific things. And then bottom here, I would recommend doing your measurements, because as you do your measurements, you'll be more consistent in making sure tracking your progress. So if you're not measuring it, you're never going to know if you're doing well or not. You can't just look at your body and just say, okay, I'm doing well, whatever. You can't do that. I provided a real quick how-to on this, on how to do the measurements. And so that's it on this. So when that does come up, like I said, all you have to do is click this button, and all of a sudden that page will come up and you just fill out that information. Now you have a summary area here that's going to just give you the summary information. So this is more a quick snapshot. Then you have the summary view, which gives you the information here and gives you more of what we were talking about what's holding you back, how you feel, that type of thing. And then you have the table view, which is just generalistic table view. This is just more detailed oriented stuff if you need to get into the weeds, but I made it simple enough that you guys don't have to go into the weeds of that. So as that goes about, we'll go ahead and let's go to the workout plan area. So this is an area where you can add all of your workouts. And so let's just say you find a great workout on YouTube or some website. Well, all you have to do is just click this button. When you click this button, a new page is going to show up here on the bottom here. Then what you do, you click on this button. You click on that card, and you just, if you want, you can put an image there. Afterwards, you can say how hard it is, it was easy, what the effectiveness was, what exercises provided the best results. But the biggest thing is here, this link, so you can have a link to that that specific exercise program that you had. So you don't have to be going here and there and going here and just trying to find this. It's all in one place. Now, if you want to create your own exercise regimen, I provided a little section here. So you can just add the exercise name, you add the pounds there and how many sets. And then you just keep on going, add another page, the same thing. And that will add another round of rows that you would see here. So just to see how that works, we can go ahead and just press this button here. And what you do is you just add this information in there, and same thing here with the weight. Add the weights in here, and then you add the how many sets you want, and that's that easy. So let's get back into the body planner page here. And the last part I want to show you on this is there is an area where I have information, helpful information with calorie guide. So this calorie guide it's generalistic, it's not specific, but I've used it and it actually works. So this gives you what you call a resting metabolism rate. So what happens is that you go off of your height, and then this will give you the median from basically the lowest to the highest, but then the median would be 1255 of calorie intake a day. So that will help out a lot. A lot of apps already have that, but I just thought this would be useful to have this here, just everything co-located in this area for your understanding of things. So that is it for the body planner page.